Okay, my name is Ukuyi Nesedubia, and I'm an alumni of Mampong Presby JHS. I'm here to support my friends, my family, and the candidates over here. And when I came here, I saw that they were very enthusiastic, like how they were coming from the hall with joy all over their faces. I know the hard work of the teachers will pay, and I really trust that they will do very well because Presby Mampong, Presby JHS is an incredible school, and the teachers too are very renowned and they are very good. Yeah. Okay, I can see that most of them are happy, which I'm really happy for them as well. But I want them to know that this is the first stage of their life in terms of education. This is their first stage, so they should be really calm and continue studying and pursue their dreams and work harder so that they can achieve their respective schools of choices. You're welcome.